Hi friends, this video shows how to backup and restore all data. Go to settings, set all settings from top right corner. Go to system, go to about, go down, select Android TV OS build. Here we need to press OK button on the remote 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the message, you are now a developer. Go back. Now under system we can find new option called developer options. Select it. These are a list of developer options. From this list let me enable USB debugging or ADB debugging. Select OK. Done. See, now I have enabled USB debugging. Then go to laptop. Here we need to install one tool, ADB tool. This is the name of the zip file. We can download this zip file from internet, then extract it. Here you can see adb.exe. From this path we need to open command prompt. See, this is a command prompt. From here we can run commands. Before executing the commands, we need to connect this laptop to TV or this device. We can use USB cable. See, I already connected this laptop to this TV or device using USB cable. Then let me trigger backup. And here I have listed a lot of commands here that we can run from this command prompt. So in this video we are focusing only on this backup and restore. Okay. So first I am going to take the backup of this device to laptop. Let me copy this. Then run that command here. When I run this command, it takes the backup from the TV or device. Then create this backup.ab file inside a laptop. So let me execute. So now here on the TV, we have to go down, then select backup my data. Now you can see backup starting. Please wait. Okay, backup finished. So now this file has been created. Let me check. Here you can see the file backup.ab and size you can see here. So next I am going to restore this file. Okay, so after backup, if you want to format, you can format this TV. You can hard reset this TV or device. Okay, after hard reset or format, you can restore your data. So next I will show you how we can restore. Just copy this command. Go to terminal and paste. Run it. Then go down and here you can set this restore my data option. Now it's restoring. Okay, done. Restore ended. So this way we can take backup and restore. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.